Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 28th of July. And first of all, national news. China issuing stapled visas to Arunachal sports persons unacceptable. India. World's largest museum, Delhi's Yuge Yugin Bharat, to have 950 rooms. Supreme Court extended ED Chief S.K. Mishra's term till September 15 in larger public interest. No confidence motion will serve no purpose, Union Minister jabs opposition. High Court refused to completely ban sale of acid in Delhi. Lok Sabha approved bill to repeal 76 redundant obsolete laws. China issuing stapled visas to Arunachal sports persons unacceptable. India. Delhi police issued traffic advisory ahead of Muharram procession. CBI arrested Delhi crypto scammer who posed as Canadian government official. PIB fact-check unit busted 1,276 cases of fake news. Anurag Thakur. India achieved 70.10 gigawatt solar energy against target of 100 gigawatt by 2022. And now some international news. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un met with Russian Defense Minister on military cooperation. After withdrawal from Black Sea grain deal, Russia's new offer to Africa. Norwegian women, Nepal Sherpa Summit 14 Super Peak set record. UK on course for more frequent heat waves, Weather Office. Military COUP in Niger, President detained, all institutions suspended. US said Russian aircraft flew dangerously close to its drone over Syria. Now some sports news. HS Prannoy, Lakshya Sen and Satvik Sairaj Ranki Reddy Chirag Shetty entered quarter-finals of Japan Open. Decision on dates for holding Wrestling World Championship trials after August 1 ad-hoc panel member. On Novak Djokovic's retirement, his father dropped hopefully next year wish. Asian Games, India clubbed with China, Bangladesh, Myanmar in men's draw. Thailand, Taipei in women's football. No change in India-Pakistan World Cup match date yet. Decision in 2-3 days, BCCI Secretary Jai Shah. Ireland secured spot in ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024. And now some business-related news. Currency note with star symbol in number panel is a valid note, RBI. India GDP to grow 6.3% in financial year 24. Economic prospects brighten. Deloitte. Adani Group's Mundra port handled 5,300 TEUs in July. Air India planned to start flights to Los Angeles, Boston. And that's all in news. Thank you.